Hello again, it's Tosin Williams, co-founder of Learning Period Educational Service, a company that is dedicated to your continuous academic success. Though I'm the co-founder, like our motto is in the program, everybody has to be in the academic setting. So now, I'm going to give you an academic setting virtually by teaching you about fractions. If you saw my previous video, we did adding simple fractions. Let's move on to adding fractions with mixed numbers. So what about something like 3½ plus 8½ Does this whole number change anything? No. First we add the fractions. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And notice we can just skip on to adding the numerators because our denominators are the same. And then 3 plus 8 equals 11. Am I done? No. This is a whole number. How many times does 2 go into 2? Once. So that's 11 plus 1 whole, 12. Remember, when you're dealing with mixed numbers, you cannot have an improper fraction. Let's do another addition problem. What about 4 2/8 plus 5 3/6? Notice that our denominators are not the same. And I also did a video on finding common denominators, so watch that video if you're a bit confused about what I'm saying. The lowest common denominator here is 24. So we're going to copy the problem again. I always tell my students, write the whole number. A lot of times if you just write the new fraction, you might forget about the whole number. So always remember to write your whole number down. How many times does 6 go into 24? 4 times, and whatever you do to the bottom number, you have to do to the top. 3 times 4 is 12. How many times does 8 go into 24? 3. And whatever you do to the bottom number, you need to do to the top. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 12, now that we have common denominators, is 18 over 24. 4 plus 5 was 9. Are we done? You gotta reduce. What's the common factor between 24 and 18? Correct, 6. So let's divide both the numerator and the denominator by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. I'm not going to forget the whole number, am I? You got to make sure we write, even when we reduce, keep the whole number. Let's try it again. 3/18 plus 2 5/8. Could we add a fraction to a mixed number? Of course we can. So I'm going to rewrite it top and bottom. That's 3/18, plus 2 5/8. Do we have common denominators? No. So we're going to find the common denominator. And like I mentioned, always write the whole number. So what's the common denominator between 18 and 8? Could it go to 36? No, 72. How many times is 8 going to 72? 9 times. So whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. 5 times 9 equals 45. 18 times what is 36? Times 4. Or whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 45, just add like normal fractions. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 4 equals 5 over 72. And I know I have to bring down the 2. That's why I wrote it, so I'm not going to bring it in. Could I reduce 2 and 57, 72? No. Here's 3 problems. Continue to do them on your own, and to make sure that you're going to continue to do them on your own, let me give you 2 problems as homework. How about 7/8 plus 5 2/3 and 15 1/2 plus 9 2/7. Do these problems on your own and try and work them out. Don't forget, we offer online tutoring when you need that special help. Our phone number is 1-800-975-7962, and it's also at the bottom of the screen. That's 1-800-975-7962. And don't forget, we always have our website, that's learningperiod.com. Once again, it's learningperiod.com. We have emails, you can contact us. We have Facebook, Twitter, so Twitter us your questions. You never know, I might do one as a sample video. Thank you, and don't forget to always have continuous academic success.